Hi everybody, today we'll look at Finish Dishwasher Gel. I have been using dishwasher tabs before and I wanted to try the gel option. So I got this from Amazon. You could get it from other retailers as well. This is a 1.6 liter pack with apple scent. This is a nice add-on to that. And the instruction basically says that do not mix it with any other dishwashing agent or liquid, and just use that as a regular dishwashing option. While this says 17 washes on the pack, it can last much longer in my experience, more than double, probably even triple, depends on your usage. So let's see that in action. I have made the door of the dishwasher horizontal so I can pour the dishwasher gel in the same space where I would put the dishwasher tabs. So I'll just pour it here and then I can lock it. I did not fill the full compartment. I filled almost half of it, and then I'll close this. I'll start my Samsung dishwasher. I will press the power button and I just need the express, heat it dry, and then press the start button. Settings for your dishwasher may vary, but all you need to do is turn it on as you would usual and close the door. Happy washing.